Welcome. Today, we're diving into Guidewire ClaimCenter 6.0 functional certification. Now, why should you care? Well, if you're in the insurance industry, this is a game changer. We'll cover how the certification works, who qualifies, what to expect in the exam, and, most importantly, why it's worth it. Spoiler alert. It boosts your credibility and career prospects. So, let's get started on your path to expertise. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. All right, let's talk about Guidewire ClaimCenter, the backbone of modern insurance claims. Imagine handling claims smoothly, efficiently, and without the usual headaches. That's the dream ClaimCenter delivers. It's widely adopted because it simplifies and speeds up claims management. We'll look at its role, features, and why big insurance companies swear by it. Stick with me, and soon, you'll be speaking Guidewire like a pro. Now, let's get into the magic of ClaimCenter 6.0. First up, the interface. Smooth, intuitive, and designed to reduce the number of frustrated sighs per day. Automation takes care of repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for actual problem solving. Integration is seamless, keeping policy and billing in sync. And analytics. They help insurers predict trends rather than react to surprises. Sounds pretty neat, right? Ever felt lost in a complicated software interface? ClaimCenter 6.0 says not on my watch. With an intuitive dashboard, everything you need is just a few clicks away. Claim processing is smooth. And yes, you can customize views to match your preferences. And for the power users out there, keyboard shortcuts make navigation lightning fast. Less clicking, more doing. That's how we roll. Managing tasks well boosts productivity and reduces stress. I'll walk you through organizing your day, setting priorities, tracking progress, and celebrating small wins. Think of it as your roadmap to getting things done, with a little sprinkle of humor, like a productivity superhero cape. Let's dive in. Detecting fraud is part art, part science, and a lot of vigilance. We'll cover spotting red flags, working as a team, and using tools that make Sherlock Holmes proud. Don't worry, I promise not to turn this into a detective novel, but maybe a good mystery movie. Effective document management is like having a magic wand for organization. We'll discuss keeping files neat, updating versions without chaos, and attaching the right ones securely. Trust me, once you master this, you'll feel like a wizard in the workplace. Integrating systems is where technology meets teamwork. We'll talk about picking the right connections, syncing data flawlessly, and staying on top of issues. No tech jargon overload. Just a friendly guide to make integration feel less like rocket science. Reporting is more than just numbers. It's telling a story. I'll show you how to create insights that wow your team, spot patterns like a pro, and share findings that make others say, "You nailed it." Let's turn data into your best ally. Closing claims doesn't have to feel like closing a chapter in a suspense novel. Let's talk about the art of reviewing details, ensuring every document is just right, and keeping stakeholders informed without the cliffhanger endings. Handling claims effectively is all about smart practices and adaptability. I'll take you through the golden rules, keeping communication open, and staying compliant while preparing for curveballs. Think of it as being the Zen master of claims. Troubleshooting isn't just fixing, it's solving puzzles. From spotting patterns to creating solutions, we'll tackle it all together. I promise it won't feel like assembling IKEA furniture, but just as satisfying when done. Wrapping up is bittersweet but exciting. We'll recap highlights, arm you with study tools, and share exam tips. It's like preparing for a final battle, except you'll emerge victorious and with less drama. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.